comes to innovation, Ryobi is at the forefront. They're always changing things up, and you know it. Today, Ryobi just announced the Lithium Edge technology, catching up with the rest of the industry in lithium battery technology. Now, they've had a few different renditions of batteries over the past, starting with this old battery. Then they're moving on to this one. Then, recently you've seen this one, but this was the latest mammoth. Check this thing out. And this is what we have to look forward to. Now, the new Lithium Edge is awesome. With the 21700 cells, the awesome thing about it is that they're smaller. They pack a big punch. And since they're tabless, not tabbed, that means they run super cool. Now, what does tabless versus tabbed mean? Now, tab is in the end of a battery. All the little connections to the battery comes to a single point, and it generates heat. With tabless, the entire cell or potential energy of that battery flows out the end of the battery, creating less heat and friction, but more power. It runs smaller, and the potential energy is still there, and you get that performance out of it. I can't believe it. I'm very excited. So smaller package, big power. And as you can see, it packs a huge punch, bigger than the 8 amp hour brand new battery. So what does that mean for everybody out there? Get ready, because a bigger punch in a smaller package, even with chainsaws or even with circular saws, drills, anything that you're going to put it on, it's going to enhance the power of the tools. Now stay tuned, because I will be testing these batteries out to the fullest potential, like I always do. My name is Brent. This is a Live Free and Tool On. I can't wait for this tool to come out. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Take care.